Okay, so I literally woke up 3 times today, and I'm officially woken up, and it's literally 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We are extremely exhausted, especially it is horrible outside. It's fucking raining, but when I tell you we're tired because we had a long ass week, like with the remodeling of the bathroom and with Thanksgiving weekend cooking and the party events. So it's been a very, 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 very much long week for us. We're so exhausted. Everybody right now is still sleeping. I think my dad did wake up earlier, but he is sleeping right now. Literally. And my brother's still sleeping too. Like, our refrigerator is stacked. When I tell you it's stacked, look. Like, literally, it is stacked to the brim from food. Literally food. But right now I'm gonna make me some food and also take some more of the drink I made with apple cider and cranberry juice, which it was the bomb. And I'm still gonna use one of these rare cups because I don't want to dirty anything. So probably gonna get one of the regular foam plates because I don't wanna wash any dishes right now. We still have a lot of desserts left, like the flan, the cake, cookies, pumpkin pie, in which we literally ate it, and that shit was delicious. Like, I'm not gonna hold you, I'm not a pumpkin pie eater like that, but that shit was delicious as fuck, and I still have some more. So I'm probably gonna get a lasagna, heat it up. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so today has been a very, very calming day. Basically staying in my bed type of day. Just, to relax, because tomorrow I do have to go back into work. So it's like a relaxing whole day in bed. Probably am gonna edit a couple of videos and just relax for the rest of the night, because to be honest, I am done. My hair, it's doing something, don't know what it is, but I am going to get my shampoo and conditioner this weekend, well, next weekend. It's coming because I am in the need of actually washing my hair, but I don't want to do it without the conditioner and the shampoo that I want to get. So that would be on Saturday. We are also planning to go to a Korean barbecue. So I'm not sure when, but I'm waiting for one of my friends to come back from her family house so we can skedoodle and go. Yeah, and then start doing some Christmas stuff I already have lights on the Christmas tree, Christmassy things and curtains, but I want to get a little bit more Christmassy vibes. So let's see. Right now, let's make some tea. Okay, so a lot of my friends are actually getting sick. Also some of my family members, but I hear a lot of people are getting a cold, the flu, also COVID again, but I am not trying to get COVID again. So I started having a sore throat, but it was like a slight sore throat. It wasn't that severe, but I want to prevent that from happening. So we're gonna drink some ginger tea and relax for the rest of the night. My brother has some like oatmeal. I'm probably gonna do some later on, but right now, ginger tea to prevent any health problems from happening. I don't need to get sick again.